We all desire to be appreciated, to feel like we're making a difference, to feel needed as equal members of society and valued overall. Project Search is a work transition program for students with special needs who are in their last year of high school. The goal is to prepare them for the working world, to teach them employability skills that are transferable, marketable, and competitive. Ultimately, we want our interns to be the best versions of themselves, and we want them to feel valued and be productive members of society. We combine employability curriculum with real-life experiences on the job. They're working side by side with other members of the community. Both sides are learning from each other.
Since I've went for so many job fairs and interviews of getting rejected all the time, but this one opportunity here, I thought I was going to get rejected, but I didn't.
You know, when the shipments came, me and Justin would be going downstairs to the loading dock, loading up all the iPads onto, from the skids onto, a dolly, bringing them up, and then cutting open all the boxes, getting rid of all that recycling, and then just getting it all ready. So I worked alongside Justin. It was good. It was fun.
Understanding what disabilities you actually have, and to find what you're good at the most, and hoping that you can pursue your career path in the future.
So some of the stigmas I think that employers may have are that people with special needs are not capable of working independently, that they would require a lot of supervision. That's not the case at all. Students thrive on the responsibility of being left alone and accomplishing tasks on their own.
It also teaches you how to be independent. If you want to come here, it will be a great experience. Be able to learn life skills, work skills. And when I wake up in the morning, it feels so good because I've always wanted to get a job.
What I've learned at Project Search is how to communicate, flexible thinking, and I learned how to problem solve. That can help people save from going to high school and then getting a job in the real workplace.
So my dream for Project Search would be that we would all see each other as equal members of society, as one community, and having young adults like the interns here at Project Search be given opportunities to go out into the community and to show how capable they are, how fun and interesting they are. And the more that we can do that, I think that then we create a community that is inclusive of everyone.